legend. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna put you at the end of the beam. Okay, beam.
Mister? Mister? Beam?
Beam.
Beam, the potence. Beam.
Attends, c'est que je savais pas.
And then we're gonna try to surprise you. Okay, maybe, maybe not. What I want is just when you are the edge there, just careful because the drop is a little bit hard, and then when ropes is getting you, your head wants to go back. And, yeah, we don't want you to have your head like this. So just a little bit chin on chest, but just a little bit, not like this. Just be ready to not let your head go back. Okay. Then just wait for the swing, enjoy, get comfort, and then we will bring you back here. Okay. All good?
All good. Allez.
Good. Please. Envoyez. And you can make a last smile at this camera.
Yeah. Just like this.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Sur de la chill liquide.
Ça fait 2 jours de suite, on est vraiment sur de la chill.
Yeah, man.
Woohoo!
Ok. Comment on peut le surprendre?
Okay, are we good?
Ah, c'est bon.
Okay, I'm gonna try to surprise you. Okay, ready in 5, 4. Ah! Okay. Bro, what's going on?
Oh yeah. Fucking hell. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Fly through the air. Oh my God. Oh.
Okay, you are great.
Oh, that was brilliant.
Yay. Perfect.
That was a nice surprise. You did surprise me. Oh, that was brilliant.
How was the drop?
Oh, good. But the surprise was good.
Okay. You can make your last smile at your camera. Yes.
Yeah. Now look, we just want you to turn around, put your legs up, yeah, and just enjoy the last zip line.
The scary bit.
Yeah, I know.